Hi everyone. We're going to add and subtract vectors. We want to talk a little bit about the unit vector here. And we're going to write our vector in terms of with I and J. If you've ever done matrices, you know how this works. If you multiply the I component, so if I say 5 times 1 comma 0, I just get 5 comma 0. So that's your unit vector, your horizontal component. And the same for the J. If we wanted to multiply 5 times 0 times 1, you just get 0 comma 5. A and B, again, are your scalar components. And in this case, A is our horizontal component and B is our vertical component. All right, so let's look at adding vectors. It's very simple. We have two vectors. I went ahead and drew the vectors, and we want to add them. And in this case, I just added them straight down vertically. So 2i plus 5i is 7i, and 3 plus 1 is 4i. So when you add the vectors, you get this one right here, and that is v plus w. Okay, this is your A component. This would be your B component. Now let's try adding and subtracting two vectors. So I have two vectors here, v and w, and I want to add these. So what I'm going to do is first use the I and J way, and the way you do that is we're going to say that v plus w equals 2i plus 3j plus 3i minus 4j. That equals 2 plus 3i plus 3 minus 4j. And when you combine these, you're going to get 5i minus j. And that is v plus w. Or if you want, we could do like we did in the previous video and just add them like this. This would be 2 plus 3 comma 4 or 3, sorry, 3 minus 4, which gives you 5 comma negative 1. These are just two different ways of representing the same vector. Okay, v minus w is going to be, I'll do it in a different color. It's going to be 2i plus 3j minus 3i minus 4j. And then you just combine, put your 2 minus 3i, and then we're going to have plus 3 minus negative 4j. And you're going to get negative I plus 7j. And again, we can do the other way like we did before, and we would get 2 minus 3, comma 3 minus a negative 4, and you're going to get negative 1, comma 7. Okay, the next video we do is going to be how to find a unit vector, and we're going to also find scalar products and magnitudes.